Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools, and in this video, I have something exciting to share with all you truck enthusiasts out there. I'll be taking a closer look at the ANCEL HD601 heavy-duty truck scanner, a powerful tool designed specifically for heavy-duty vehicles. So, let's dive right in. In this video, I'm going to go over all the features and functions of this powerful tool, and give you my honest opinion on whether it's worth your investment. The ANCEL HD601 is a game-changer when it comes to diagnosing and troubleshooting issues in heavy-duty trucks. It's a versatile and user-friendly scanner that offers a wide range of functions, making it an indispensable tool for truck owners, mechanics, and fleet managers. One of the standout features of the HD601 is its extensive vehicle coverage. It supports a variety of heavy-duty truck brands, including but not limited to International, Kenworth, Peterbilt, Freightliner, Volvo, and more. So, no matter what make or model you're dealing with, this scanner has got why you covered. Now, let's talk about diagnostics. The ANCEL HD601 provides comprehensive diagnostic capabilities, allowing you to retrieve and clear fault codes from various truck systems, from engine and transmission to ABS and SRS. This scanner can pinpoint the exact issues plaguing your vehicle. What sets the HD601 apart is its ability to perform advanced functions like cylinder cutout tests, injector programming, DPF regeneration, and much more. It even offers live data streaming, allowing you to monitor critical parameters in real time. Another noteworthy feature is the HD601's built-in OBDII functionality, which means you can use it on lighter vehicles as well. So, whether you have a heavy-duty truck or a regular car, this scanner can handle it all. Now, let's talk about the user interface. The HD601 features a large, easy-to-read color display, ensuring that you can navigate through menus and view diagnostic information with ease. It's intuitive, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Furthermore, the scanner comes with free lifetime software updates, so you'll always have access to the latest features and vehicle coverage. ANCEL is known for its excellent customer support, ensuring that you have a reliable partner when it comes to maintaining your heavy-duty truck. The ANCEL HD601 heavy-duty truck scanner is a must-have tool for anyone dealing with heavy-duty trucks. With its extensive vehicle coverage, advanced diagnostics, user-friendly interface, and lifetime software updates, it's a scanner that truly delivers on its promises. Well, that wraps up our review of the ANCEL HD601 heavy-duty truck scanner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thanks for watching.